Dear students, this is your diagram master. Let us prove some small results in Hermite. Prove that h2n of 0 is equal to minus 1 power n 2n factorial by n factorial, and h2n plus 1 of 0 is equal to 0. We have, by generating function, e to the power of 2tx minus t square is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity t power n by n factorial into hn(x). This is a clear result. Let it be equation 1. In this, put x is equal to 0. Then what you get? E power of 0 minus t square, that is e power minus t square, sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity t power n by n factorial into hn of 0. On the left hand side, write the expansion of e power x. In place of x, you have minus t square. What is the expansion of this? 1 plus minus t square plus minus t square by minus t square whole square by 2 factorial minus t square whole cube by 3 factorial, going on and on, minus t square whole to the power of n by n factorial, and so on is equal to, on the right hand side, sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity t power n by n factorial into hn of 0. Comparing the coefficient of t to the power of 2n on both sides. What is the coefficient of t power 2n here? This is a minus 1 power n into t power 2n, minus 1 whole to the power of n t to the power of 2n by n factorial. So the coefficient of t power 2n here is minus 1 power n by n factorial. Why? Because this is minus 1 power n into t to the power of 2n. Okay, this is nothing but minus 1 power n t to the power of 2n. So minus 1 power n t to the power of 2n by n factorial. So coefficient of t power 2n is minus 1 power n by n factorial. On the right hand side, replace n with 2n. Then only you get a coefficient of t power n. Replace n with 2n. T to the power of 2n by 2n factorial h 2n of 0. T to the power of 2n by 2n factorial h 2n of 0. Therefore, coefficient of t power 2n is 1 by 2n factorial h 2n of 0. h 2n of 0 by 2n factorial. Therefore, h 2n of 0 is equal to minus 1 power n into 2n factorial by n factorial. That is the required result. In the same elaboration equation, this is equation 1 or 2. Let it be 2. In equation 2, again comparing the coefficient of t to the power of 2n plus 1. In the same equation 2, compare the coefficient of t power 2n plus 1. Here we compared the coefficient of t power 2n. Now let us compare the coefficient of t power 2n plus 1. Is there? That is t square, t to the power of 4, t to the power of 2n, t to the power of 2n plus 2. Like that we get. So all even powers. So no question of t to the power of 2n plus 1. What is the next term? Minus t square whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 factorial. That is a minus t square whole to the power of n plus t square whole to the power of n plus 1 means minus 1 power n plus 1 into t to the power of 2n plus 2. We won't get the term 2n plus 1. The next term to this is minus t square whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 factorial. What that is? Minus 1 power n plus 1 into t power 2n plus 2 by n plus 1 factorial. This is the next term here we get. So no question of, after 2n we get 2n plus 2. So no question of 2n plus 1. Therefore, on the left hand side, you won't get any coefficient of t to the power of 2n plus 1. Therefore, on the left hand side, there is no coefficient of t power 2n plus 1. That is why it is 0. On the right hand side, put n is equal to 2n plus 1. So h 2n plus 1 of 0 by 2n plus 1 factorial. h 2n plus 1 of 0, 2n plus 1 factorial. 0 is equal to h 2n plus 1 of 0, 2n plus 1 factorial. This one we got by putting n is equal to 2n plus 1. So t to the power of 2n plus 1. The coefficient of t to the power of 2n plus 1 is h 2n plus 1 of 0 by 2n plus 1 factorial. H 2n plus 1 of 0 is equal to, sending this we get 0. That is the second result. Okay. In Hermite polynomial last and final problem, that is evaluate integral minus infinity to plus infinity x into e power minus x square hnx hmx dx. What is the orthogonal properties? Orthogonal properties of hnx is minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus x square hmx hnx dx, and this is x into minus infinity to plus infinity x into e power minus x square hnx hmx dx. So there is a additional x here in this problem. We have to evaluate this. Let it be equation 1. By recurrence formula 2, what you have is 2x hnx is equal to 2n into hn minus 1x plus hn plus 1x. So what is the x hnx? X hnx is equal to by 2. 2n by 2 is n hn minus 1, and this is 1 by 2 hn plus 1 of x, that is a 2. Substitute the value of x hnx, which is acquired by 2. Put the value of hnx in 1, in the integral 1, hnx. Replace x hnx with this value that is acquired by equation 2. So by 2, 1 becomes minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus x square. In place of x hnx, you have n hn minus 1x plus 1 by 2 hn plus 1x into hmx dx. So let us split this integral into 2. N into minus infinity plus infinity e power minus x square hn minus 1x into hmx dx, that is 1. The second is minus infinity plus infinity 1 by 2 is taken out, e power minus x square hn plus 1 of x hmx dx. By orthogonal properties, what you have by orthogonal properties? By orthogonal properties, minus infinity plus infinity e power minus x square hmx hnx dx is equal to 0 if m is not equal to n. This is equal to 2 power n into root pi into n factorial if m is equal to n. Okay, that is by orthogonal properties. Orthogonal properties of Hermite. So here let us compare with the orthogonal properties. In place of n, you have n minus 1, hn minus 1x into hmx. In place of hn, we have n minus 1. So this can be written as n into 0 or 2 power n into root pi into n factorial. So in place of n, you have n minus 1, that is root pi into 2 power n minus 1 into n minus 1 factorial. This is delta n minus 1 m, and 1 by 2 to the power of n plus 1 root pi into n plus 1 factorial. In place of n, you have n plus 1. So replace n with n plus 1. 2 power n plus 1 root pi n plus 1 factorial. Here in place of n we have n minus 1. So n minus 1 factorial root pi 2 power n minus 1. Okay. This is the existing n. This is existing 1 by 2. Okay. Simplifying which we have n into n minus 1 factorial is n factorial and everything. This is 1 by 2. This is 2 power n plus 1. Therefore 2 power n. This is delta n minus 1 m, delta n plus 1 m. What are delta? This can be written as Kronecker delta, delta mn, which is said to be Kronecker delta. If m is not equal to n, this is 0. If m is equal to n, this is 2 power n root pi n factorial. This delta mn is said to be Kronecker delta. Kronecker delta. Here in place of mn, you have n minus 1 m, n plus 1 m, nm or mn. So in place of this one, we have n minus 1 m. Therefore in place of n, we write 2 power n minus 1 factorial. Okay. This is n minus 1 factorial. Okay. Delta, Kronecker delta n plus 1 m is root pi 2 to the power of n plus 1 factorial. If n plus 1 equal to m, this is n plus 1 not equal to m. N minus 1 not equal to m, 0. N minus 1 is equal to m, this value. Okay. So that is Kronecker delta. Delta n minus 1 m, delta n plus 1 m. By using orthogonal properties, we solve the problem. In orthogonal properties, minus infinity plus infinity e power minus x square hmx hnx dx. Here you have additional x. Therefore, by using recurrence, we replaced x hnx with this. The integral is split into two parts, and we have applied the orthogonal properties again. Okay. So this is the end of Hermite polynomial. Laguerre polynomial, your Kanthamma madam already taught you Laguerre polynomials. I will give you the complete detailed notes of Laguerre polynomial. I will give, and I also try to give the briefing about Laguerre polynomial also. Okay.